We completely revamped the way Smoothify works. New interface, new workflow, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 2 use cases that are literally going to change the way you edit with Smoothify in Premiere Pro. Real quick thing first, Smoothify is now in the blinkl ring for free. So if you haven't installed it yet, I'm dropping the link in the description. All right, let's get into it. The new interface. Before, you had like 3 separate panels: the preset library, the curve editor, the settings. You were constantly switching back and forth. It was a mess. Now, everything's in one single window. You see your curve, your presets, all of it at the same time. On the left, all your presets. To create one, you build your curve right there in the editor, you hit Save as Preset, and boom, it's in your library. That simple. You can also import Smoothify presets directly from right here. Your whole collection, always one click away. This right here is the big one. You click the pinned mode button right here. The panel adjusts its size to exactly how you like to work, you know? Want it compact? Compact. Want the full editor? There it is. The panel literally adapts to the way you work. 2 more changes. You can double-click on any preset in the library, and it applies right away. No extra steps, nothing. And with the new ring feature, you click on the settings in the center, go to the ring tab, and from there, you can edit a slot and add any Smoothify preset directly. Your favorite curve, 1 click away. Now let me show you with 2 real use cases how this can actually change your workflow. If you're editing short-form content, you dock Smoothify right here, your video preview right next to it, and you've got like a proper dedicated workflow for editing shorts using Smoothify. And if you're editing long-form YouTube, you dock the panel on the side. Your timeline stays wide. Your presets are always visible. Double-click, done. You go twice as fast, no joke. This is Smoothify V2. Install blinkl for free. Links in the description. Smoothify is included. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.